got this sanded down pretty good, so we're going to use our Dremel here to further shape it, to round it down some more. Then we'll use our palm sander to sand it down. So we're going to work on that next. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You can see how we're shaving this down to get it a little more rounded compared to this side. So we're going to keep doing this, shaving this down to get it nice and round. Then we'll use our palm sander on this to sand it down. Thanks for watching.